In the stillness of Abram's 99th year, the Lord appeared once again, this time with a promise that would change the course of history. "I am God Almighty," the voice declared. "Walk before me faithfully and be blameless. Then I will make my covenant between me and you and will greatly increase your numbers." Falling face down, Abram listened as the divine promise unfolded. "You will be the father of many nations," God said. "No longer will you be called Abram, exalted father, but Abraham, father of many." With a new name came a new destiny, a covenant sealed not just with words but with legacy. Kings would come from him, nations would rise, and this covenant, it would be everlasting. Then came a promise for Sarai. "Do not call her Sarai any longer," the Lord spoke. "Her name will be Sarah. I will bless her and give you a son by her." Abraham laughed in wonder. Could a man nearly 100 and a woman 90 bear a child? But God's plan would not be restrained by age or circumstance. "Your wife Sarah will bear you a son, and you will call him Isaac." And though Abraham asked that Ishmael might live under God's blessing, the Lord made it clear. His covenant would pass through Isaac, the son yet to come. Still, Ishmael would not be forgotten. He too would be blessed, made fruitful, the father of 12 rulers and a great nation. Then on that very day Abraham obeyed. He and every male in his household were circumcised, just as God had commanded. A covenant had been made, marked in flesh, etched in eternity. And the promise had begun.